Hey everybody, it's Jackie Schomburg-Abstract here. I am going to talk about collage paper today, specifically how to make collage paper using a Gelli Plate. I am using a 12 by 12 inch Gelli Plate here with some homemade stencils at first. If you take any cardstock, or you can actually buy specific plasticky stencil material online. I don't remember what it's called. If someone remembers, please put it in the comments. But you can take this, you can use an X-Acto knife to cut into it, or scissors, or anything, really, anything that cuts, and make whatever design you want. Put some paint down, put the stencil on top, and then put your paper. I'm using tissue paper here. You'll see I alternate between tissue paper and just regular, that's 9 by 12 paper. It's pretty easy, it's pretty fun. Gotta love a Gelli Plate. They come in all different sizes. I'd recommend getting whatever size works with the paper that you're using. A 12 by 12 size is great, but it's a little bit annoying because I always have a little extra that needs to be soaked up. That's why I usually put 2 pieces of paper down at the end. 1 piece of tissue paper that I've cut to that size. And I'll do a second print on the paper, but it takes 2 sheets. So that's called the ghost print. When I take the stencil off and do some more prints off of that, you get some really interesting marks that way. The Gelli Plate's pretty cool because it seems like you should know what the result will be. And if you just do something super simple, you will know what the result is. But once you start layering things, the paint does very interesting things. And if you layer more stencils on top of more of older designs, often the other designs will still transfer over with the new paint. So the new paint acts as a lift, and it lifts all the old paint off. You can see where that stencil, that kind of orb shaped stencil, was still showing up. Now with that crinkled tissue, it still showed up on the print. I'm using golden open paints here. They just stay wet a little bit longer. They don't dry up as fast, which helps for stencil placement, etc. But you can use any kind of acrylic paint on these. I highly encourage you to try it out. You can see I'm using regular store-bought stencils there with the lines. I don't have a steady enough hand to cut lines like that with an X-Acto knife. But try things out, see what works, see what's fun. The most interesting stencils or collage paper I've ever made is just a happy accident. Layers and layers and layers. And I didn't see it coming, but it's so fun. Have a great time with your stenciling, everybody. Post me a picture and let me know what you make. Bye!